Hi fellows, let us have a brief introduction about myself. I started working from KPMG, one of the big four, back in 2011, and I worked there for 4.5 years till 2015, and I have worked in Pakistan in KPMG Dubai and KPMG Qatar in their two international offices. After that I jumped into the industry into Saudi Arabia, and from last 5 years I have been working here. So this was my brief professional experience, and now let's talk about my teaching experience or coaching experience. Back in 2007 I started teaching from A levels accounting course, and then I progressed teaching towards accounting and auditing courses on various levels such as bachelor's in commerce and MBA courses, and then I moved to teaching CA courses and accounting and auditing. And when I qualified CIA in November 2010, I started teaching part 1. Meanwhile, I was also preparing for part 2, and I was teaching part 1. So whatever I was passing, I was teaching right away. And I believe that if a person is teaching, he himself should know what he is teaching and what are the exam techniques and what is required by a candidate to pass the exam. From 2010 to 2014, until I came to Saudi Arabia, I was teaching there CIA, CMA courses. When I moved to Saudi Arabia, since I got much busy in my profession, that's why I have to leave this project for the time being.
There are two main objectives of making this video and upcoming series of videos. The first objective is to get you guys passed in CIA, CISA and CFE examinations, which are the core certifications or qualifications for the internal auditors. And the second objective is to make you expert and skilled in the internal audit field through guiding you through all the audit steps, starting from developing audit universe to the reporting about the process.
Most of the students who are in Pakistan, in Middle East and in Canada and in other countries who have been in interaction with me back then,
they were asking to record and share lectures so as to
support, help and guide all the people who want to do CIA and pass this exam and want to excel in their career. So one of the important and major factors to record these lectures now is that they were continuously asking me, requesting me to record my lectures so that they can take benefit from these lectures and they can pass their exams, which compelled me, which motivated me, so that I can help and guide people who really want to progress in their career and they may have access to the right and quality resources. Let's move on to the video series which I'm going to launch through my YouTube channel. So the video series 1 will be related to lectures on CIA and CISA. Initially I will be focusing on CIA and then CISA, and I have my own notes on all these three parts. There will be two elements of the preparation. The first thing will be my notes from where I will be teaching, and the second thing will be recorded and live question answer session from database of Gleim, which I myself used while preparing for CIA, and I also recommend Gleim. So this will be the video series 1. The second video series is related to the practical training, starting from the basic understanding of audit to advanced level. So through all the stages I will give you a hands-on experience of the assignment, and we will have a detailed discussion on risk control matrices as well as
audit programs and
risk-based audit. In the video series 3, I will be focusing on the CV development for internal audit roles and using LinkedIn to market yourself and to make you outstanding from the crowd. So before you can use these things, the important thing is that you focus on passing your CIA exams or CISA exams, which are very important and critical in today's market. So the people who want to excel in their career and want international move, they must have these qualifications, which is, in my experience, is very important and critical to gain a competitive edge over your peers and to stand out from the rest of the pack, right? So this was the first video recording of these series of videos.
I hope that this video and all upcoming videos may help you in your professional career, and especially passing the CIA, CISA and CFA exams. And all the best to all of you in your professional careers and in your life. And one important message which I want to give you guys today is stay safe while staying home, because this weird corona is spreading like wildfire around the globe. Be safe, keep safe, and be healthy, right? Thank you very much for watching my video, and in the last I would like to say
you can go to my YouTube channel where you can see my upcoming videos which I will upload there, and you can subscribe me, you can like and share all those videos if you find those beneficial for your success in your career and professional progression. That you can also find me on LinkedIn and
on Facebook.
if you will type Hamad Ahmed CIA on LinkedIn search bar, you will find me there.
thank you very much for your time. Take care. Bye.